So you want to know how to stop getting your SMS flagged in GoHighLevel? Well, in this video, I will show you exactly that. This is going to be a really cool video. So obviously, if you don't have GoHighLevel already, which I'm sure you do, but you can get a 30-day free trial link below with our link in the description. But let's get right to the point. So as you can see, I have this automation. It's a really simple automation. And one of the things that not many people know about GoHighLevel is that, GoHighLevel's built-in phone verification system is basic and it's not reliable enough for serious lead generation or AI automations. That being said, right, once we know this, we know that if we want to send a lot of SMS, messages out there, like if we want to send hundreds of SMS messages, we want to make sure that we have our numbers verified. So if you're sending if you have like a lead list of 1,000 people and you have 1,000 different phone numbers, out of those 1,000 different phone numbers, you need to verify all of them, okay? So how you're going to verify them? You're going to verify them with this particular automation, which you're going to add on top of what you're already doing. So essentially, this is just two different nodes, and we integrated an API, okay? So what you can do here is, or what this automation does is, whenever you add a tag on, let's say you're adding this tag on 100 different leads and you want to check for their phone validation, this is what I added. So add tag phone validation equals true, and I added a tag phone validation equals true. So this is a way how you're going to verify the SMS numbers before you actually send them, so that you're not getting flagged. Because once you get flagged in GoHighLevel, you really, it's a complicated story to get your account back up and running. So that's why you need to have this in place. Okay, now once this is done, once phone validation true tag is on your potential prospects, hundreds of them, let's say, in this case, you will integrate a NumVerify API. Now, NumVerify API is an API that I think you get like 100 different phone numbers verifications for free. So essentially, this is how it works, right? You go to their website and you want to log in into their website and you want to get to this API access. Okay, now once you get to your API access, you want to copy this API key. Now, as you can see here, you will have this month's API usage. So as you can see, for this month, I can only get 100 free API requests, and each month you can get 100 free API requests completely for free. If you want, you can also check out our link below, and you can obviously go and you can check out their pricing right here. So essentially, this is their pricing, right? You have a starter plan which starts at $107 per year. So this is per year. All of these are per year. So for 250,000 API requests, you're pretty much getting, 1.3K per year, which is a 15% discount. So it's a really cool platform overall. But let me show you how you can integrate this platform. You can find it link in the description if you want to test it out. So from there, what we do is we've added a custom webhook, okay? So in here, we've added a custom webhook, and as you can see, we've called it NumVerify API. The event is custom, the method is get, the URL is going to be this URL. So if you're using this particular API that I showed you, this is going to be the URL. It's a validation, a way to validate your phone number. And then as you can see, here is the API key. So you add query parameters right here. So authorization is none. You add query parameters and you enter your API key in there. And for the phone number, you enter a raw phone number. This is really crucial. Do not enter a classic phone number. So go to contact, and in here, go to phone raw format. Okay, this is what you need. And what I do is I save response from this webhook, and I try to test this out with one particular contact. So make sure to have one contact here and select the contact. I have this dummy contact that I tested already, and I send test request here. And as you can see, if request success with status 200, that means everything is working fine. And as you can see, you can go here, and here you're getting the date, you're getting the content type, and here you're pretty much getting that this phone number is verified. The number is this one. This is the local format. which is in the country that we're calling. This is country Croatia, as you can see, and this is the carrier, and this is the line type, which is mobile for this one, and the country code as well, HR for Croatia. So this is essentially how you can test this out. And then obviously what you can do is you can also add an if branch here. Let's say you're going to modify this into a automation that already is set up for SMS or calling. You can add an if, for example, here. So if, for example, the right here, what we can do is contact details, right? And let's say if phone number is verified, then we can say, okay, send message to them. If the phone number is not verified, then do not send messages to them, or it's false, right? So if a number is verified, it's true. If number is not verified, it's false. So that's essentially how you can set up this automation. It's a really cool automation. It's a simple one. Again, since GoHighLevel doesn't have this reliable integrated already inside of them or inside the platform, we can do this on our own, which is really cool. So again, if you have any comments around this or questions, make sure to comment down below. I would be able to help you. Check out the NUMVERIFY and GoHighLevel link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.